Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Pry off the base securing tab. Pull the shelf so the tabs pop out of their catch. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1223C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. Clip the shelf back into the glove box. Reinstall the securing tab and the screw. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at Filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.